4 years since I've been on a trip by myself, completely alone. Especially after I become a dad, I'm always surrounded by people. If it's not at work, then my girlfriend or my son, and I almost forgot how it feels to go on a trip by myself. I've always been interested in doing outdoor stuff since I was about Boy Scout. But my outdoor life took a whole new turn when I discovered packrafting. I usually go by trip with others, but when I started packrafting, I didn't know anybody else packrafting. So back then I was usually doing trip by my own. The nights out here are gorgeous. It's close to midsummer, so even though the sun sets, it's never get real dark. Pink colors filling the sky. I really enjoy the silence. I really enjoy just having my own thoughts to listen to and being my own company. It's a little bit moody also to be alone, but still in a good way. I've seen a couple of beaver dams already and a lot of trees which the beavers have cut down. There's no internet connection out here, there's no other people. Give me some time to think about life. Am I at a place in the life where I'm supposed to be? 3 years ago I moved to Sweden from Denmark, and instead of living in downtown Copenhagen in urbanized area, I just found myself living in a small village in an old train station house. Overall, I'm quite happy with life right now, but sometimes I miss Denmark, I miss my friends. There's nothing here, just me and nature.